Hey guys, welcome back. Today this is our first GO train we've ever seen on this channel since they've been coming through here. I don't know how I heard this, but here we go. I don't know how long it is, but it looks like it's a long one. Alright guys, so it's heading towards London right now. CN came through not long ago, like 3 hours ago, I'm pretty sure. I didn't catch that one though. But here we go. GO train in Stratford, Ontario. Let's go, guys. This is GO train 349. Oh wait, no, 348. This is GO train 348 on the back. Nice. Alright guys, first GO train, let's go. Two locomotives today. Huh. There we go. There's GO train. Let's go. Thank you for watching, guys. It'd be great if you could leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And that's it for today. GO train. Right here. Heck yeah.